Hello everyone, I'm Priya. I hope you all are safe at your places. So today our topic is vowels and consonants. It's not vowels, it's vowels, okay? And consonants. So let's get started now, okay? So yeah, we all know that there are 26 alphabets in English, okay? So let's know them. These are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here, as you can see, some of the alphabets are colored, right? So let's know about them. Let's know about vowels. See, there are 5 vowels and those colored alphabets were vowels, okay? There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, okay? And we use an before the sound of vowel, okay? You all need to know one thing, that all we have to notice is the sound of the vowel, just because there are some of the words which actually start with a consonant word but sound as a vowel, so we have to put an before them. So here let's have some of the easy examples. Like firstly, I have written an apple, okay? So apple starts with A and it sounds A as well, right? Apple, okay? This is vowel, so that's why we are putting here an. The next one is an R. So you might be thinking like, okay, it's starting with H, why is she putting here an, okay? But all we need to know is the sound, okay? It's the sound of the word, whether the sound is of a consonant or a vowel, okay? So yeah, it sounds like a. Here H is silent, okay? That's why we are putting an before the word, an R, okay? The next one is an airplane, okay? This is clear. It is starting with the vowel A and the sound is also of a vowel, okay? So that's why we are putting an here. The next one is an enemy, okay? The same thing is here. It is starting with a vowel letter E, okay? And it sounds like A, okay? Enemy. So that's why we are putting here an. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. Now let's talk about the consonants. See, there are 21 consonants. All the alphabets except for those 5 ones which are actually vowels are known as consonants. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And again, we have to focus on the consonant sound, okay? Because there are times when there is a consonant in the starting, as we had the examples previously, okay? So now let's have some of the examples for consonants as well. Like if I'm saying boy, it's starting with a letter B. B is consonant, okay? So a boy. If I'm saying girl, it's starting with G, which is also a consonant, because of which we are putting A before this word, okay? If I'm saying topic, okay, T is again consonant, and because of which we are putting A before this word. I hope this thing is clear to all of you. And one more thing, you don't have to be confused with these things. What matters the most is the sound. I hope this is clear. And I would love to have some of the interesting examples from your side too. We will be meeting soon. Till then, please take care of you guys. Keep practicing and keep learning, okay? Be at your places. Be safe.